Once upon a time, in the lush greenery of Mr. McGregor's garden, Peter Rabbit and his friends decided to embark on an exciting camping adventure by the lake. Peter Rabbit, Benjamin Bunny, and Lily Bobtail sitting around a campfire in the woods, with tents pitched in the background. The night sky is clear, and stars twinkle above. As the fire crackled and the stars shone brightly, the friends shared laughter and tales of bravery. And then, the brave bunny faced the fierce fox and outsmarted him with his wit. Imaginative depiction of Peter Rabbit as the brave hero, facing off against a cunning fox in the forest. The next morning, as the sun rose gracefully over the horizon, the friends set out to explore the wonders of the lake. The trio rowing a colorful boat on the calm waters of the lake, surrounded by lush greenery and chirping birds. With each passing moment, their camping adventure became a cherished memory, filled with laughter, friendship, and the beauty of nature. And so, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow across the sky, Peter Rabbit and his friends knew that their camping trip had been truly unforgettable. Until next time, dear friends, adventure awaits.